Are you a tech enthusiast who loves to dive into the past and explore the evolution of technology? Then you've come to the right place. Welcome to Tim's Tech Retrospect, where we take a trip down memory lane and explore the world of retro software and hardware. Our channel is all about reviewing, demoing, and documenting the technology that paved the way for the devices we use today. From classic operating systems like Windows 95 and Mac OS, to vintage gaming consoles like the Atari 2600 and Nintendo Entertainment System, we cover it all. But we don't just stop at software. We also sprinkle in some hardware reviews and demos showcasing the iconic devices that changed the game in their time. From the first iPod to the original iPhone, we take a look at the gadgets that revolutionized the tech industry. Join us as we explore the history of technology and discover the innovations that have shaped our world. Whether you're a seasoned tech veteran or a curious newcomer, there's something for everyone at Tim's Tech Retrospect. So hit that subscribe button and join us in our journey through tech history.